Now, who were these Varangians that those Chud, Slovenians, Krivichans, and Vepsians invited in the second half of the 9th century to rule over them? Well, the name Varangian is derived from the Slavic word varyagi, and that was the designation that was given by the local populace, as I mentioned up there in the north, to those Scandinavians who by the 9th century had been known throughout Europe for their attacks and pillaging. Now, I can imagine that everyone in this room does know about the Varangians, even though you've never heard of them perhaps before today, but you heard of other names for these same people. To the inhabitants of northern Germany, Britain, and Ireland, they were known as the Vikings. To the inhabitants of France, they were known as Norsemen or Normans. And so these Varangians, Vikings, and Norsemen were terms used in varying parts of Europe to describe groups of Scandinavians who swept down from the north in relentless attacks upon the cities and countryside of large portions of the continent and the British Isles, and we'll see beyond. I'm going to pass out these maps. Now, what was the situation in Europe during this 9th century, the 800s?